Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Tita Morris, and if you have not seen my previous video, please check it out. I give a testimony about a client, and today I'm also going to be giving another testimony. Okay, so there was this person, this client, who wanted life insurance. So the agent went over to his property to talk to him about the different coverages. They came up to a conclusion, and the agent went ahead and submit the application for this client. The client got approved about 2 weeks later, all good and well. 2 weeks after the client got approved, the client called and canceled his policy and said he no longer needs the policy. His family usually live for really long, and they have no health condition in their family, and they're very healthy. So he will not need the policy. And this client had the policy with living benefit, the income protection strategy. At the early stage of the policy, the client terminated the policy. About a year later, this client was driving home from work and got into okay. This client was driving home from work and got into a car accident. And where in this accident, after this accident, the client had to have surgery on his back. After the surgery, the client became paralyzed. A year later, he called the agent. After being bedbound for a year, he called the agent and asked the agent if the agent can then apply or reinstate the policy. Because his home was in foreclosure, his car was repo, he was no longer working, his wife was working by herself, and her income was not enough to sustain the family and take care of his medical expenses. So he called the agent to reinstate his policy, but at this time, it was too late for this client. Unfortunately, this client lie there in his bed until the Lord called him home. And he left nothing behind for his family. I do not want anybody to go through something like this. So if your family are not protected and you're not sure what's going to happen to the people that you love when you're no longer here, or if you get up out of your bed and go to work and expect to come home, but unfortunately something happens on your way home or to work that leaves you paralyzed or amputated, or now end up in a hospital to where you can no longer work, and you don't have anything in place to continuously bring income to your home, I ask that you please stop, take a minute, and do some research. If you would like my help on how to get this straightened out, because this has a big role to play in your financial journey. You cannot be working to financial freedom if your family's not protected, if your income that you're using to grow is not protected. This is a big part of your financial journey. So you can always click the link below and leave me a comment. I will be able to help you with getting something structured, getting something put in place for you and your family. Thanks again for watching the video. If you have not yet subscribed, I ask that you please hit the subscribe button and come back for more content. Have a great day.